Hello, and welcome to the Power BI connection issues discussion. This is specifically regarding CDGC in the November release. Today's agenda is going to be going over the Power BI connection issue, the symptoms of the issue, affected connections, the workaround that we have in place, and then next steps towards permanent resolution of this issue. A known issue that's appeared in the November release has been a problem creating Power BI connections within the administrator. To elaborate on this issue, I'm going to go through and create a new connection. And what we'd be able to see is here in the connection, we can create a test. And we would usually go through and create a Power BI connector through here. And we can see that this is deprecated after the November release. Now, what we would do is move up to the Microsoft Power BI connection and create a connection through this method. However, users have noted that this is not available for them, and instead they're only able to see the deprecated connection. This is because if we look up towards organization, we'll discard the changes here, move back to organization, we can see that we are currently in the parent organization. If a user is attempting to do this same process through a sub-organization, then this license is not present and they aren't able to make this connection. This is due to the fact that when we go into that sub-org, we can look at the licenses and see that the Microsoft Power BI license is not enabled and not synced. The workaround for this issue is moving into the sub-org, moving into the same organization tab, going to licenses, and enabling the Microsoft Power BI connector manually. Once this has been manually enabled, then the connector can be created and Power BI can be scanned as normal. This will need to be done for all suborgs present that need the Power BI connector. While this manual change is necessary for every suborg at present, there will be a change in the December release to where this is synced appropriately. In summary, the Power BI connections are affected specifically in sub-organizations. Parent organizations are not affected by this. Mitigation efforts include manual license enablement, or could include scanning in a separate environment, and this change will need to be made for every sub-org at present. There are currently plans for complete resolution in the December release, and we would love to hear from you. Thank you for your time. Please reach out to us at either of the below links, and thank you again.